Hello everyone, welcome back Paramedical Career Academy. Today I am going to continue with 5000 MCQ series of CHO examination. Actually this questions is also helpful for sanitary inspector examinations. So let's begin with Unit 5, that is demography, surveillance and interpretation of data. Question number 1 is, if the death rate is high and death rate is declining, the country will be in which stage of demographic cycle? Option A is high stationary, option B is late expanding, option C is early expanding and option D is low stationary. So the correct answer is option C, that is early expanding. Question number 2 is, the demographic cycle at which stage does India stands at present? Option A is high stationary, option B late expanding, option C is early expanding and option D is low stationary. So the correct answer is option B, that is late expanding. Question number 3 is, sex ratio is used to describe the dash. Option A is number of males per thousand females, option 2 is number of females per thousand males, option C is number of males per thousand births, option D is number of females per thousand births. So the correct answer is option B, that is number of females per thousand males. Question number 4 is, the highest child sex ratio among the Indian state as per 2011 census is found in option A is Haryana, option B is Uttar Pradesh, option C is Kerala and option D is Arunachal Pradesh. So the correct answer is option D, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 5 is, the poorest child sex ratio among the Indian states in 2011 census is found in option 1 Haryana, option 2 Uttar Pradesh, option C is Gujarat and option D is Bihar. So the correct answer is option A, that is Haryana. Question number 6 is, census is taking usually in every dash. Option A 2 years, option B is 10 years, option C is 1 year and option 4 is 5 years. So the correct answer is option B, that is 10 years. Question number 7 is, the first complete census of India was conducted in dash. Option 1 is 1911, option 2 is 1901, option C is 1891, option D is 1881. So the correct answer is option D, that is 1881. Question number 8 is, both birth and death are to be registered within. Option A is 1 month, option B is 1 year, option 3 is 45 days and option D is 21 days. So the correct answer is 21 days. Question number 9 is, dash is the surveillance where reports are awaited and no attempts are made to seek reports actively from the participants in the system. Option A is passive surveillance, option B is active surveillance, option C is sentinel surveillance and option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is passive surveillance. Question number 10 is, dash is the surveillance which is based on the collection of data from a sample, random or non-random, of collecting sites as indicated data for the rest of the population in order to identify cases of a disease early. Option A is passive surveillance, option B is active surveillance, option C is sentinel surveillance, option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is sentinel surveillance. Question number 11 is, which of the following sampling technique ensure that the sample is a representation of a population? Option A is snowball sampling, option 2 purposive sampling, option C is non-random sampling and option D is random sampling. So the correct answer is option D, that is random sampling. Question number 12 is, snowball sampling is a dash technique. Option A is quota sampling, option 2 is purposive sampling, option C is random sampling, non-random sampling and option D is random sampling. So the correct answer is option C, that is non-random sampling. Question number 13 is, dividing the population into homogeneous group on the basis of gender or religion and deriving the sample randomly from each homogeneous group is dash. Option is cluster random sampling, option 2 is stratified random sampling, option C is purposive sampling and option D is quota sampling. So the correct answer is option B, that is stratified random sampling. Question number 14 is, selection of predefined number of subjects from a specified subgroup of population is. Option A systematic random sampling, option 2 quota sampling, option C purposive sampling, option D snowball sampling. So the correct answer is quota sampling. Question number 15 is the first sample is selecting and the remaining sample is drawn using systematic pattern is known as. Option A is simple random sampling, option B is quota sampling, option C is purposive sampling, and option D is systematic random sampling. So the correct answer is systematic random sampling. Question number 16 is every member of the population is equally likely to be selected and the sample are withdrawn with the help of random sample tablet dash. Option A is simple random sampling, option B quota sampling, option C is purposive sampling, and option D is systematic random sampling. So the correct answer is option A, that is simple random sampling. Question number 17 is the poorest sex ratio among the Indian states is found in dash. Option A Assam, option B Bihar, option C Rajasthan, and option D Haryana. So the correct answer is option D, that is Haryana. Question number 18 is the highest sex ratio among the Indian states is in dash. Option A is Gujarat, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Kerala, and option D is Himachal Pradesh. So the correct answer is option C, that is Kerala. Question number 19 is if the birth rate is low and death rate is low, the country will be in which state of demographic cycle? Option A is high stationary, option B is late expanding, option C is early expanding, and option D is low stationary. So the correct answer is low stationary. Question number 20 is if the birth rate and death rate is declining, the country will be in which stage of demographic cycle? Option A is high stationary, option B late expanding, option C is early expanding, and option D is low stationary. So the correct answer is option B, that is late expanding. Question number 21 is the important source of vital statistics in India are dash. Option A is population census, option 2 is civil registration system, option C is sample registration system, and option D is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 22 is in the sample registration system the survey will be conducted in every year dash. Option A is 6 months, option 2 is 1 year, option 3 is 5 years, and option 4 is 3 months. So the correct answer is 6 months. Question number 23 is central birth and death registration was passed in dash. Option A is 1969, option B is 1881, option C is 1950, and option D is 1947. So the correct answer is option A, that is 1969. Question number 24 is which is the central surveillance unit of IDSP located? Option A is NCDC, option B is ICMR, option C is Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and option D is AIMS. So the correct answer is option A, that is NCDC. Question number 25 is dash analysis is based on quality or attribute and not on precise measurement. Option A is interpretation data, option B is qualitative, option C is quantitative, option D is none of the above. So the correct answer is option B, that is qualitative. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please like, share, subscribe this channel, and please keep watching. Thank you so much.